thing. It tastes delicious. But when you look at this thing, I don't think you want to eat it. Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln and this is Dan. And today, I'm going to let you say what we're cutting open because I'm going to eat some of this popcorn.
Well, you've seen the title, What's Inside of Microwavable Popcorn. I know, don't leave us those comments. I know you're already going for it. There's popcorn inside of microwavable popcorn. But no, I'm really curious to see what's inside of it when you cut it open before you've microwaved it.
Yep, it's really interesting. I haven't seen what's inside of popcorn.
Made with non-GMO corn, natural colors, no preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup, no sugar added.
I don't even know what most of those things mean. It's weird. But we're gonna see what's inside of it.
This looks really sponsored right now with all these brands. Pop Secret, Orville Redenbacher, Skinnygirl. I don't even know if that's microwavable. This one right here is movie theater butter. So they try to make it really sound really, really healthy. Dog, it's saying all the right things that you look at it on the shelf and you're like, yeah, this is a healthy treat.
This is a tasty
treat.
It's healthy.
But there's butter in there, so
can't be that healthy.
what can it look like? All right, so all of the good stuff is right here in this little pouch in the middle. So we need a knife. Let's go with Mr. Orville. Wait, is Orville the same guy as the KFC guy?
He
looks
looks
like
older.
him. I think they're brothers.
Maybe.
Let us know in the comments. What's the story with that?
Oh, what is that?
Oh my gosh.
Ew! That looks disgusting.
It does look gross.
I don't know if I want to eat popcorn again. It's like wax.
I didn't think that's what it would look like in there. Pop Secret, this is the secret. What's the secret? Oh, man. It looks kind of like a wasp nest. This one right here is much more orange and earwaxy. Orville definitely appears to have more of the gooey stuff. It looks kind of like mac and cheese.
Popcorn is such a good thing. It tastes delicious. But when you look at this thing, I don't think you want to eat it.
Want to lick it?
Not really. Oh, no.
Okay, that's gross. That's like straight nasty wax. This one. Oh! It doesn't even taste salty. It doesn't taste salty. I don't know. This is the same exact stuff right here. This is the same stuff. What the heck? And how is this healthy? Like they tell you all the stuff on the side, but this is what you're eating when you down an entire bag. Like I've eaten a lot of popcorn. When you go to the movie theater, you eat way more than this.
Giant tubs of it.
This is going straight to right here in my belly.
Like your little bubble belly.
I've got to see the comparison because this is Skinnygirl. If you're gonna be skinny, you probably shouldn't be eating all of this, right?
I'm afraid to touch it. It looks so gross.
Oh, created by our friends at Orville Redenbacher. So these are the same people that made this. You'll love this lighter twist on the classic butter blend. We've added a hint of sea salt. If a girl's gonna eat popcorn, she's gonna choose this one over the extra movie butter. So the bag is smaller. That right there makes you feel skinnier. Instead of having the two flaps that open, it's just this and it's small. Maybe the skinny just means it has less calories because it's a smaller portion.
Oh, what is all that white stuff?
Why is it white?
Why?
It's not as much though. Gotta give him credit for that. Butter. It's gotta be just butter. Regular Orville Redenbacher looks more like macaroni and cheese. This one just looks like half a stick of butter.
Why do you eat them all? It's so nasty.
It tastes salty.
Don't do that. It's so gross.
It is really just nasty butter.
It's supposed to be cooked. If I eat popcorn, you gotta pop it before you corn it. You eat the corn. Is there actually corn in there? Popcorn. Why would it be called popcorn? Oh,
corn.
I see.
Did you know that this is what corn looks like before it's popped? Did you really?
Oh yeah, because they have like little tiny bits, and sometimes at the movie at the very bottom, then you like reach in and you shove it
Okay, now
over
you're
your mouth.
remembering. I think
Now
we
we
see
need to
what's
pop
inside
it.
of it.
We need popcorn popping on the apricot.
It's gonna make it a mess in our microwave.
We should totally do it.
Where's mom at?
She's upstairs. So we have a very fancy vase today.
I think the vase is probably the way to go just because it'll contain some of the splashing possibly of the butter. Should we put all three in at once?
No, just the those two, the movie popcorn.
Okay.
Oh, just.
I'll have to get a new vase. Mama won't mind. Oh, it's already popping. How's it already popping?
What's going on in there?
Oh, all right, we're taking a pause. Let's look at it.
Get that away from me. It looks like SpaghettiOs.
Here's where we're at right
That looks like SpaghettiOs. It's like jumping beans. Is that hot?
Yes. It's amazing to me that all of that butter and gooey stuff is actually seeped into every little kernel that's in here. And so there's not much of a liquidy residue left over. Hey, this should be a new cooking series.
It just looks nasty.
It's just a ton of the orange macaroni and cheese style gooey cheesy oil. That one was really yellow.
Much more gross than I thought. I didn't really understand the butter.
Well, what did you think butter looked like?
I still love popcorn, but I don't know if I'm gonna eat as much of it because now I know what's inside of it and it's kind of gross.
You can still eat it. It's still, popcorn is yummy, but moderation. Moderation in all things is good. Do you know what moderation means?
Pause.
Pause in all things. No, look that up. Let Lincoln know in the comments what the word moderation means.
Thanks.
Yuckies. Ugh. It's so gross.
Is there actually corn in there? I didn't really understand the butter. Ew!
Does it taste salty? I don't know.
It's healthy.